Hi guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Today I just wanted to show our new consignment. We've got a beautiful 77 Chevy. It's a K20. It's the Custom Deluxe. Right now we're just going to go over the condition of the vehicle. We'll go over any maintenance history, things like that. We get a lot of people that come in from out of state, so we like to do these condition reports through our YouTube channel just to kind of get an idea of what everything is and bigger picture of everything. We'll go over every scratch. As you can see, it's in really great condition. Body's super straight, frame looks good. It's got a 400 small block, so the 6.5 liter. This is the original engine. It's got about 103,400 miles. Clean title. A lot of maintenance has gone into this beautiful truck, so we've tuned up the carb. Intake was cleaned out, belts, hoses, everything was done. It's got a brand new radiator. Tires look great, as you can see by the tread. Less than a year old. New exhaust. It's got an all steel body. New shocks. New starter. Take a look at some of the badging here. As you can see, there's no rust bubbling up in the typical areas here. Trim is all intact. Behind the trim there looks great. Windows are all intact. The glass looks great. Slides freely. We've got a small crack in the windshield right here. Owner of the truck is open to replacing that. Badging on the door. Inside the door jambs, you'll see the condition. No rust. This bench seat was reupholstered. And it even has an 8-track. This is the condition of the dash. Get a closer look up here. Windshield wipers and lights. This is the condition of the wood paneling throughout here. And the 8-track. Radio, dual fuel tanks. Take a look at the floorboards. This is an automatic. Floorboards look amazing. Just in really great condition. Here's the VIN for reference. We'll take a look at the other side. Badging on the other side looks great. Matches the other side. As you can see, the metal trim and everything looks great, free of rust. There's no bubbling along the typical areas. Door panel looks good. It's all intact. The inside of the door. Steps look great, free of corrosion. All right, we're going to start it up. I'll get you a good idea of underneath the hood, and then we'll get some frame video as well. I'll list all the maintenance once again that I mentioned in the description below there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us as well, and we can get those questions answered. Everything looks really clean, really well taken care of. All the belts look great. No hesitation or weird sounds. Take a look at the exhaust. Get a side view of the truck real quick. It's just in beautiful condition. Exhaust sounds good. get a view here of the back tailgate. As you can see, that's in good shape as well. Coating is brand new. It's free of any flakes or cracks. Was done here professionally in Idaho by a reputable shop, as was the paint. Tailgate goes down with no issue. Gonna get the front of the frame here for you in view. Clean title. Again, this is a 1977. It's a K20 Custom Deluxe. You can give me a call, 208-995-6382. My office is located at 10250 West Fairview in Boise, Idaho. I do transport. I also do financing for classic cars like this. You can give me a call. Again, my name is Reagan. Thanks, guys.